Hello and welcome to the Best Life Podcast, where we here at Altra Federal Credit Union are helping you live your best life. I'm your host, Tony Beyer. Thank you so much for tuning in and doing it a little bit different with the podcast this time around. Not only audio, which we're capturing here, but also video and creating a more, let's say, digital experience and talking about something that's changed with Altra and the digital banking experience. We wanted to talk about our Digital Restyle, and we are joined by the VP of Virtual Engagement, Julie Kaphingst. Thank you so much for being on the podcast, Julie.
Thanks for having me, Tony. We're very excited about the new enhancements that we've been able to upgrade with our digital banking.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit more about the change and why did Altra make this change, not only to the online platform, but also the mobile platform as well, Julie?
Absolutely. We are very excited to offer a lot of different new features, functionality. We want to be able to put more control in the hands of our members to manage their finances. With that robust platform comes enhanced security and the ability for members to feel confident about their money being protected from Altra. With that security, we have a new representation to recognize login behaviors, to know that it's you actually logging in. So that's important. We also have brand new functionality with push authentication. So once you're logged into your digital banking, you can go to your profile settings and turn on the ability to force a prompt to your mobile device, and you click it and it automatically logs you in. So it's a nice added enhancement in addition to the biometric functionality.
Absolutely. So it gets to know where you're logging in from, the patterns that you have, the device that you're using. So really customizing it and making it easy for our members to access, but also keeping it secure as well. And talking about security, I was hoping you could talk a little bit about the card controls for not only the debit cards that we have at Altra, but also the credit cards. So talk a little bit about, some of the enhanced controls and security with that as well, Julie.
Absolutely. This is one of our brand new features available to you in your digital banking experience. Our debit and credit cards each have the ability to set certain features and functionality for security. Once you are logged into your accounts, to set features for security for your debit cards, you would click on your checking account that card is linked to. Once you are in there, you can set advanced controls such as I want my card to work only in this location or parameter. So you can kind of put like a geofence around your card. You can also set the ability to keep track of any type of purchase through our alerting system. For credit cards as well, it may be really important if you're traveling and you misplaced your card. The ability to lock it, right? And I just got to look for it. I don't know where it landed. Maybe fell between the car seats. So we want to give that power and control into the hands of our members where they can keep track of their card. If it truly is lost, it's important nobody's picking it up and using it, right? Right. And then we will talk to you about getting a new one. Yeah,
we've all had that moment like, where's my wallet or where's my card? And that moment of panic and just being able to, until I, find this, I can lock it, I can close it down. And if it is, in fact, lost or stolen, we're able to replace it. We're able to do that in our offices as well. So all of that help. Wanted to talk about some of the customization that you can do, not only online, but mobile. And it's really the same experience with both. But talk a little bit more about, being able to move some of the things as far as accounts or what you're looking at within the dashboard and really make it your own.
Right. When you first log in to your digital banking, you'll see a very specific view with your accounts listed along the left-hand side. And then off to the right, you'll see these columns of information, right? We call those widgets. They're little buckets of information. And you can customize your view. And that's something that's really nice for a member to be able to do because you want to see what you want to see when you first log in.
Right.
So on the left-hand side, you'll see the word dashboard. There's a little pencil icon next to that. If you click on that, you'll see a couple of options displayed next to your accounts and next to these widgets where you can choose to turn the little eyeball on or off, which actually will remove it from your view entirely. Or perhaps you want to click on the little 6 dots next to an account or a widget. move things around, put things where you want them to be. Some people like to set up a savings plan, but then kind of hide it, right?
Yeah.
So you're not tempted to steal from it.
Yep,
So,
absolutely.
You're just having that ability to customize your view, put things where you want them to be is really important.
Yeah, go crazy with it. Why not? And you can always change it to see what works for you. But really nice having that control and be able to customize as well. And talking a little bit more about control, Julie, tell us a little bit more about if we want to transfer money, let's say from one Altra member to another, some of the ease and how we're able to do that, and also make sure that you are in fact communicating with that person and actually paying them, and no mistakes either with the member to member transfers.
Right. New functionality for us here. So having that ability to split lunch with a coworker if you're out, or if you want to share in a gift giving, right? So inside of our transfer menu, we have a new function called member to member. This allows you to move money between Altra members once you are linked together. In order to link yourself as a recipient, say, Tony, you're going to send me $1,000, right?
I'm going to be a little short. Yeah, maybe $1.27, maybe.
$1.27.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, all right, sounds good. It'll get me to the pop machine. But I would, as a recipient, create a code inside of digital banking. So in the transfer menu, you'll see an option for member to member. I'm going to give Tony a code. Tony's going to log into his digital banking and add an account under member to member. Putting in that code will link us together. So going forward, we can transfer back and forth, which is very handy.
Super easy, excellent with the digital restyle, and with this change that we've made to enhance, the whole experience as well. And something else that's new that I think is very cool in my work as a financial wellness coordinator, we talk a lot about credit. How can we improve that? Why it's important, and tell us about the My Credit Score that you can find inside digital banking.
Yes. So this is a nice widget out on that dashboard, right? So when you first log in, you're going to see that option for My Credit Score. Go ahead and click on it. Yeah. Do some exploring. There's a lot in there, right? A lot of functionality to help you really manage your credit and understand your credit. After you agree to the disclosure, you'll see a number of things. For example, you can view your whole credit report,
Very
right?
Cool. Yeah.
And you will also receive a customized plan to help you improve your credit. So that's a nice feature. In addition, there's clues in there about how you're using your credit to the best of your capacity, seeing your payment history if you're on time or if you've fallen behind here and there, and then also what inquiries have been placed against your credit.
Right,
so it's important stuff to keep track of.
It is. Yeah. And the more information that you have, I think the better decisions that you can make, when it comes to your money and your finances, and, all these different tools to be able to manage that. And, you can break down spending, within there as well. There's a lot of features and a lot going on with it as well. And you can find more information on our website, at altra.org/digital-restyle. Tons of information there, and also a lot of resources and programs that we have as far as financial education and financial wellness as well. So a lot of tools and a lot of people here to help with all of this as well. So that's all the questions that I had for you, Julie. Anything else that you wanted to talk about here at the end when it comes to our digital restyle and that whole banking experience that our members have?
A lot of great new things, right?
Yeah.
Another thing that I haven't mentioned yet is the ability to aggregate your accounts into one view. So we have this new functionality to link an external account. You can do that in a couple of different places. First of all, at the bottom of the dashboard account list, you'll see a button that says Plus Connect. You can go there and do an instant account verification to any other financial institution or your investment accounts. Link all of your dollars together into one place for one view, and that kind of creates a holistic view of your financial picture, which is really lovely. Yeah. And then also under the transfer menu, you can link that an external account where you can move money back and forth between your financial accounts that you might have. So that's also another great way to help provide you the ability to manage your finances across multiple platforms.
Absolutely. So yeah, everything is all right there at once. You've got all your different accounts. You can manage it all right there from the Digital Restyle, the digital banking experience that we have at Altra here as well. So again, and we'll have this in the show notes, but the website, altra.org/digital, and that is Digital Restyle that you could find under the digital tab. Very easy to find here. So we really appreciate, I know you're incredibly busy, Julie, but we really appreciate you taking the time to be on the podcast.
So happy to be here. Very excited for our members.
Very good.
Thanks for having me.